Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman and I'm going to present topic 5, differentiation. Differentiation of function y equal to fx is written as shown below. Rules of differentiation. There are 10 rules of differentiation. Rule 1. If y equal to c, where c is constant, then we differentiate it to 0. When the number have no x, then just make it 0. For example, 4 will become 0, same with negative 5. When differentiate also becomes 0. Rule 2. If y equal to c, x power of 1, where c is constant, then we differentiate it to c. For example, for x differentiate become 4. This is because when we differentiate, the power of x will be minus 1. So the power of x becomes 0 and we get 4. Another example also same, even though it has negative sign. Next is rule 3. If we are given x power of n, where n is real number, then we differentiate it by multiply n with x and the power of n minus 1. For example, x power of 2, first power of 2 minus 1, and 2 multiply with x at the front. Second example also same, just replace x with 2x. Rule 4. If y equal to ln u, when we differentiate it by changing it to 1 over u and multiply with differentiation of u. For example, ln 2x, when we change it to 1 over 2x and multiply with differentiation of 2x. Second example also same. Rule 5. If you get e power of u, to differentiate it, we just take e power of u and multiply with differentiation of u. For example, e power of x, we take e power of x and multiply with differentiation of x. Next example also same, just differentiate the power of e. For rule 6, fx plus gx, to differentiate this, we need to differentiate it separately. For example, 2x plus 1, we need to differentiate 2x first, then plus with differentiation of 1. Rule 7, this rule same like rule 6 but with minus operation. Rule 8 or product rule, if y equal to fx dot gx, just differentiate follow the formula given. For example, 2x in bracket x power of 2 plus 1, 2x become fx and x power of 2 plus 1 become gx. Rule 9 or quotient rule, if y equal to fraction of fx over gx, then just follow the formula given. For example, 4x power of 5 over x, 4x power of 5 become fx and x become gx. Last rule, which is rule 10, if y equal to u power of n, where u is function and n is constant, then you have to solve outside bracket first and then multiply with differentiation of inside bracket. You can see the example below. Example of question. For this question, we'll first need to divide the function out and simplify before we differentiate it. First, we need to change the power of x to x power of negative 1, then only we can easily differentiate it. Conclusion. Differentiation in math is a crucial concept that allows us to find the rate of change of a function and understand how a function is changing over time. It is used in many different areas of math, including calculus and physics, and is an important tool for solving real-world problems. Understanding differentiation can help us make better predictions and analyze complex systems in a more efficient way.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Farhan. We explaining about solving integration. So here are going before we start, we need to learn about the rules of integration. So for the first rule is we go straight away for the question. We want to integrate 4 dx. That means equal. The answer will become 4x plus c. We just plus x in the back of the 4 behind 4. So for the next rule, we have x power of 3 dx. That means we want to integrate x power of 3, it will become x power of 4 over 4 plus c. So for the rule number 3, we want to integrate 4x power of 5 dx. That means 4x 5 plus 1 power of 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 plus c will become 4x power of c over c plus c. Then we can simplify it to become 2x power of 6 over 3 plus c. For rule number 4, we have function x plus of fx plus gx dx. That means, as example, we have x power of 3 plus 2x power of 2 dx. That means we integrate 1 by 1. We become x power of 4 over 4 plus 2x power of 3 over 3 plus c. For rule number 5, same like rule number 4, we integrate 1 by 1, we become x power of 4 over 4 minus 6x power of 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 plus c. It will become x power of 4 over 4 and minus 3x power of 8 over 4 plus c after simplify it. So for rule number 6 and rule number 7, we have ex dx. That means we want to integrate e and we become ex plus c. For rule number 7, we go straight away for the example e2x dx. That means equal to 1 over 2 e2x plus c. And we cross multiply, we become e2x over 2 plus c. For rule number 8 and rule number 9, we have 1 over x dx, and it will become ln x plus c. For rule number 9, let's take for example 1 over 2x plus 3 dx equal to 1 over 2 ln bracket 2x plus 3 plus c. So we have this question, 5x squared plus 6x plus 1 dx. We want to integrate. We need to integrate one by one. So the first one, the 5x be plus 5x power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 6x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. So plus the x will or the 1 will become the x, and plus c. This one the first step. So it become 5x power of 3 over 3 plus 6x power of 2 over 2 plus x plus c. We can simplify this one to become 3. So the final answer is 5x power of 3 over 3 plus 3x power of 2 plus x plus c. So in conclusion, integration is a fundamental concept in calculus that deals with finding the area under a curve of the antiderivative of a function. It is an important tool for analyzing and understanding many real-world phenomena. That's all from me. Thank you.